Get ready to come clean with the Craftsman 2800 Max PSI gas pressure washer. Powered by a Briggs & Stratton 163cc engine, the power washer is easy to start and easy to maintain. With just check and add technology, you'll never have to change the oil for the life of the engine. Simply check and add if more oil is necessary. And an axial cam pump with Easy Start technology ensures you'll get high pressure output with low effort starting. 4 quick connect nozzles and a direct from concentrate soap system will arm you with all the cleaning versatility to tackle everyday residential cleaning tasks. When it's time to call it a day, a 25-foot flexible hose makes for fewer kinks and easier storage. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, this unit features a 3-year frame, 2-year engine and equipment limited warranty, so you can clean with peace of mind. Craftsman, we build pride.
Tough outdoor cleaning projects require the Stanley SHP 1600 electric pressure washer. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 1600 PSI. That's 32 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Choose the SHP 1600 because it represents the quality you expect from Stanley. These are some of the best-in-class features. Spray down any and all your patio areas, including the patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Get yours online at select retailers today.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in Total Stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.